everyone, I previously posted a video of Earth and some viewers wanted a tutorial, so I made one. I'll try to explain clearly and keep it brief. If I go step by step, it might take too long and you might forget earlier parts. Making this Earth doesn't require advanced modeling skills, just a basic grasp of the shader editor is enough. Beginners can easily master it. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first create a longitude and latitude wall, then modify the model to subdivide it once.
I consistently shed tears in solitude.
Back to the physical model. How about trying the Sakura shading technique?
My heart-wrenching, sorrowful love.
Add a moonlight.
Time progresses swiftly.
Proceed.
Past.
Reach Shenxi County, folks. Then head to the world's right side and switch the environment to black.
Starry.
Everything in the field is remembered. The Earth system is clean, so we need to adjust the moonlight to lower the sneakers to Earth. Here, the host, I dropped it too steeply. Just a slight tilt would be fine. Then turn the timeline below into a character editor. Sis, a scene. Choose this screen and press Ctrl for better results. This play goes to the plugin here, right? It opens only this way.
Please kindly come over here.
Please come over to this vibrant colored ball here. Open it up and place the pre-prepared Earth stickers inside. Such a preliminary Earth would be good.
A mobile phone that doesn't retain any sadness.
Elephant, please observe the surface of our planet Earth.
Birthdays have finally arrived, and the fleeting love that continues to linger with my heart and soul. Ending, held tight in my hand, arriving in moonlight's realm.
Edit the light. Here, I plan to complete the steps of this shading editor step by step. If completing it step by step consumes excessive time, I'll simply capture a screenshot of the finalized shader editor. You can simply knock, as this is the surface of the Earth. Additionally, there's a nighttime view of the Earth available here. I'll put the textures I need to prepare in the comment section, or you can message me privately. I'm very open to that. Let's establish it. Make the world environment look like space.
Focus on me.
Dear, please kindly add an image texture. Always ensure to connect these orange ones by using Troll plus T. Here, please make sure to connect the brightness. Change the drawing to a square. Then put the old images in.
I'm left with just a harsh, cruel scar, okay?
And just like that, you have an old one. We're back to color space. A nearby Earth. Zoom in. Change the note here for the atmosphere. Use this as a second performance. It means that the talents of this nearby Earth have separated from the original one. Modify this sticker.
Love has ended.
Change it to your sticker. Then connect this to Alpha. Come to the right.
Alter the grape designation to Alpha Blend. Avoid any extraneous information.
Adjust the one below accordingly. The back is open. A cloud layer would be perfect. Reduce it a little bit.
Oh my goodness gracious.
This Earth is nearly finished, only lacking a few specific details. Let's directly call the atmospheric shader editor for adjustments. I'll send out the complete version.
You will be as sorrowful as a towering and majestic mountain at this moment.
The Earth's surface shading editor can be adjusted directly. Just hit it. The bumps show terrain undulations, and you'll need to adjust them manually. The modification of the atmospheric shader editor is somewhat challenging, so allow me to elaborate.
Sure.
This can be interpreted as the illumination emitted from the Earth. The position of this illumination needs to be adjusted in this rendering.
I consistently find myself shedding tears in solitude.
Collectively, we must find ourselves at the identical location where the illumination ceased.
My sorrowful love. cover its silence in my palm.
Our family always has a moonlight on the back of the earth. Otherwise, the back would be too dark and look unbalanced. It should match the first moonlight. Just dim the moonlight a little.
It can always be waited for to the extent that it's impossible to return to the past.
It's too bright. Please dim it more.
Even at this particular precise moment in time.
This has been considerably enhanced now. You can add more details. Open the moonlight shadow, so you will have a shadow. You can also add a globe and moon and establish a parent-child relationship with Black Neil, so you can create an Earth rotation animation, just like this.
Position it within the viewpoint from which we initially originated.
That concludes our broadcast. Thank you, everyone.